Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this 102-inch tripod that this brand sent to me for this video, which is super lightweight, yet it's also firm and stable. And it's also kind of like made of this really nice lightweight carbon fiber that looks fantastic with the red and black accents. Also, I do love that comes with a bag that you can just carry like this one, or use it with the shoulder strap and carry with you on the go when you're going places. But this one, it's not only super lightweight, but it's also really tall. And by the way, this one, check it out. It kind of like comes with a retractable system that it will kind of like put it back in place right away. So you can just transport this one super nice and easy. But then what we're going to do, we're going to use this one and we're going to put it kind of like on the tripod mode, just like this. And by the way, you can see that this one comes in multiple heights. And talking about the height, if you have an uneven height actually, so let's put it kind of like this one right here, and you're going to find that comes with this really strong knob. But then you can actually see that as soon as you kind of like free this knob over here, you have the multiple heights that you can do with this one. So let's say that you have a stair. So you can actually do this and make it to be uneven. So that is really, really cool. Let's actually take a bigger look, like a wider look. So I really like how it looks for sure, but I also like that it's really firm and stable and comes with rubber pads on the bottom. So that's going to be even better for the uneven terrain, or in case that you're going to go filming somewhere that you really want to take care of that place. It has the rubber pads. Also right here on the bottom, you will have the usual regular hook right here to hang your bags. For example, you can hang your camera bag from there, but then it comes with so many levels. Check this out. This is going to be level number 1. Let's actually do this one just like this. So that's going to be number 1. We're going to adjust this one. Let me actually put the phone up a little bit. And then number 2, Jesus, this is so tall. And then number 3, this is insane. This is insane how big, how large this one is. So you can put your camera, you can put whatever you want up there if you need. So if you kind of like need to record looking down or something like that. But then if you want to kind of like put this one more on a super wide area, just like, oh my God, just like this. So in that case, it covers more area and it's going to be super kind of like not flimsy, and it's going to be resistant to that. But again, just remember that you can also just do this, for example. And if you want, with this mount over here, you can do 2 things. You can set up a light if you want. So remove this cap and you can set up a light, or you can remove this one and set up something bigger, like a bigger light or the mount for the bigger camera as well. Am I in frame? Yeah, I'm in frame. But I'm still surprised how big this thing is, how firm and stable it is, but also how lightweight. This thing is so lightweight that it's kind of like surprised me that it has such like bigger legs to spread so wide. I think that the wind is not going to be able to knock this one out. But then remember, you also have the 2 mounts right here to put both your phone, your camera, your tripod, your gimbal, your lights, anything you want with this type of really nice mounts you have. Lightweight, versatile, big. You also have some really good accessories right here for cables, for example, and the Velcro straps. So you can use that one to get everything organized. And then when you're done, you kind of like just do this. Make sure that this one, it's still in place, just like that. You make it sure that it goes all the way down. Put this one inside. And then the same thing with each one of the legs, and you're all set. And then you can put it back inside of the bag. This thing is just fantastic. I gotta say, I really like it. And I do guarantee with this one, you're not gonna regret it, because it's so lightweight, so versatile, and so convenient to have for the content creators.